Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Today's razor review, the Merkur 24C extra long handle double edge safety razor. Here's the package that it comes in. All you do is pull it apart like so. Let's unbox it and have a look. Here it is, seated comfortably inside. Let's just pull it out right through the top. Slides out right through the hole. And stowed on the side there is a Merkur blade, one test blade, so you can shave with it right away. The razor itself, very long handle. Extra long handle, they're not kidding. Here it is, next to a 34C. You can see what a huge difference that is. Here it is next to a 23C. It's even about an inch further down than the 23C. The razor is a unisex razor. So here it is next to the Mula companion razor, which is also a unisex razor, but the handle is even longer, as you can see. So that makes it excellent for head shaving, leg shaving, ladies, nether regions, private parts, that sort of thing. The extra long handle will really assist, and it's touted as being not an aggressive, but more of a mild to medium shaving razor. So excellent for shaving body parts, and we're going to see how it shaves the face. It's very comfortable in the hand. I can't do this with too many razors and still see the top and the bottom of the razor. This handle is large. Not real thick, but still very comfortable in the hand. You can drop it in your palm or further down if you prefer. Just very easy to control it. The knurling on the handle, and then the knob at the bottom here, it's got a couple of bands right here and one smooth band right here. And then at the bottom, hole in the bottom. The pertinent info on this razor, 3-piece, extra long handle, rose gold finish, unisex razor. Great for men, women, anywhere in between. The weight of the razor is 2.2 ounces or 62 grams. And the length from attic to cellar or top to bottom is 5 inches or 127 millimeters. So a very substantial razor. Again, very comfortable in the hand. I'm very excited to shave with this razor and see what it feels like. I do like long handled razors, and this one seems like it will suit me perfectly. So the only thing that I think I'm missing right here is, okay, I'm missing some beardage. Let's see what we can do about that. I'm gonna go to the time machine, the beardage time machine. I'll be right back. Not bad. Pretty decent beard growth. All right, let's see what this razor can do. The Merkur 24C. Let's unscrew the handle, pop in a blade real quick. We'll use the Merkur blade that comes with it. There it is. Just reassemble. Okay, we're ready to rock and roll. Let's mix up a lather, the Shave Nation ceramic bowl right here with the lather spot down at the bottom. We're going to use a Captain's Choice Island Time sample right here. Show you how to use the sample. All you need to do, remove it with a little spoon, little mini spoon. You can use your finger, but that makes kind of a mess. And just drop that right into the bowl, like so. There it is. Let's put some warm water in my marble cup. The brush I'm using is the Simpsons case brush. This is a travel brush, and it comes in this plastic case, ironically enough. Let's remove it. Here's the brush. And after you're done, just reinsert it back in, put the cap on. It's got some air holes so it can dry out. Let's soak the brush in the water. It's a Badger brush. Saturate the bristles. It holds together very well. You can see it's a nice, tight, dense knot. Not a real big knot. Smaller sized brush, medium sized brush. Let's pour the water out. And then we'll go right in here to our Captain's Choice Island Time. And the scent profile on this, it's pineapple, coconut, and grapefruit, tropical. I'll call this a vacation in a jar, or vacation in a sample pack. Let's see if we can mix a lather. Just take the brush, push the soap down into the bottom. It's a little bit thicker soap. Oh, it does smell very tropical. Let's add a little bit of water. And just push the brush into the soap, into the lather spot down at the bottom. And lather's coming up around the sides. Just drive that back down. Even a little more water. The soap was a little bit hard, so it's going to take a little bit more water, which is fine. Just add a little water sparingly as you go along, so you don't drown out your lather. Very nice. Still some soap down there in that lather spot. We'll get that out. A little bit more water. Excellent. Plenty of lather for 2 or 3 passes. Look at that. All right, let's set that down. I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. On heavier beard growth, you really want to saturate it, hydrate it, which is what I did. Soaked it with the water, warm water. So let's apply the Captain's Choice Island Time. Here we go. Goes on nice and thick. The brush has a little bit of scritch to it. It's not the softest brush, but for a travel brush, perfect for driving that cream or soap right into the beard. Small enough where you can get directly under the mustache easily. Really work it in. A little bit of warm water. Wonderful scent filling the room. Just work it in. Figure 8 method. Infinity maneuver. Best part of the shave right here. All right, excellent. Let's clear the runway so we can see our sideburns. Dry the fingers real quick. All right, here we go. The Merkur 24C. Extra long handle safety razor. It really is. Check it. You can't do that with too many razors and see it on the top and the bottom. The thing's a beast as far as length goes. Not real heavy, but real nice knurling on the handle, easy to grip. Let's warm it up under the hot water. All right, here we go. Let's find our angle. Really is very comfy just holding it like this. It's so substantial, very nice. Cutting through my beard very easily. My beard's pretty heavy, so I will rinse it quickly, frequently. Rinses out easily. Down the neckline. When I have a few days beard growth like this, I can't wait to shave it off. It's so irritating, itchy, scratchy. Okay, look at one pass, very nice and smooth. Let's rinse that. Lots of stubble. Left side. Cut that sideburn. Find that angle. Work your way down. Flip it, one side filled up, flip it over. Very comfortable shaving. Let's rinse that, both sides filled. Right down the neckline. Love the handle. So substantial, very easy to hold on to, no problem whatsoever. It just feels great in the hand. Mustache, scoop right under the nose. Really nice. Excellent. One pass complete, you could be done right now. I had heavy beard growth, just one pass with the grain. Pretty darn smooth right now. Let's do a little more though. A quick rinse. And grab our brush and our bowl. Still copious amounts of lather here. Now just the light coating for the second pass. Paint it on. Goes on nice and cool. The scent profile, very appealing. Nice and light, citrus. Little figure eight. Clear the runways once again. All right, first pass was with the grain, north to south. Now we'll just start at the bottom, against the grain on the neck. Very comfortable. Easy to whip this razor around. That long handle, very easy to control it. Now across the grain on the cheeks. Backhand it. Fantastic. Very nice. Mustache, across the grain. Just going with the corner right under the nose and then lay it flat to clean it up. Excellent. 2 passes complete. Very nice. Excellent shaving razor. Let's rinse. Let's just hit the cheeks real quick. We'll just go against the grain on the cheeks. See how it goes with this razor. Even with the hands wet, very easy to grip this razor. Good knurling on the handle. Okay, let's skim the skin or ride the cap. Put the rounded portion to the skin. Just tilt slightly up. Nothing, tilt up a little more, it catches. There you go. Just ride the cap. Just skim along the skin. This gets those cheeks baby smooth. Other side, same way. Very easy to do it with this long handle. Always in control. Excellent. Baby smooth. Really nice shave. User error. Missed a little spot right there. All right, let's rinse off. A final rinse. Rinse with cold water. All right, let's take our Shave Nation wide stick alum block. Remove the cap. Just glide that all around. Let's raise it up a little bit. Glide that all around the areas you shaved. You might get a little bit of stinging. I'm not getting any stinging. This is a very smooth shaving. Comfortable, very nice. With the cross against the grain, excellent shave provided. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. All right, let's layer right on top of the soap the Captain's Choice Island Time Aftershave. This is a sample as well. Unscrew the cap. Adios. There it goes. A couple drops in the hand. Activate the ingredients. Excellent. A little bit of stinging. Feels good. Not super astringent, but a nice bit of stinging. Cools off quickly. Dries up quickly. Excellent. Same scent as the shaving cream or shaving soap. Very nice. All right, check it out. The cheeks, mustache, chin, neck, everything baby smooth. Really nice shave. Final look at the razor. The Merkur 24C, extra long handle. Very long handle. Like I said, can't do this very often with too many razors on my hand, for sure. So it's just a comfortable shaving razor. This extra 1 inch of handle that's at least an inch longer than most other razors makes it very easy to control, easy to hold on to. Whether you're going with, across, against the grain, doesn't matter. Very comfortable shaving razor. I highly recommend this razor, and I see that this could quickly become one of your favorite razors because of the fact that it just feels so comfortable in the hand. This razor would be excellent for head shaving. Ladies, excellent for leg shaving and maybe other areas as well. The knurling on the handle, very comfortable. The knob at the bottom, also comfortable. No problem resting in the palm or even further down if you prefer that. The razor was fantastic. The other items, the Shave Nation shaving bowl, no problem mixing up a lather with the Captain's Choice Island Time shaving soap. Mixed up a lather quickly, easily. The case brush, just going to dry it off. Just take a towel and just run it back and forth like that. Just gently, just to dry off the tips and let it dry in free air. And then once it's dry, pop it right back in the case. You're good to go till your next shave. Locks down, fits easily in your DOP case. Simpsons case shaving brush. And then the Captain's Choice Island Time shaving cream, the sample. I used not even half of it, so you can get a couple more shaves out of it. And there was still some soap down at the bottom of the bowl in the lather spot, so you can get by with even less. The White Stick Alum block, excellent finish to the shave. Antiseptic, natural product, comes from the earth. Also a deodorant. Kill two birds with one stone. But I would get two separate ones. One for your face, one for the pits. Don't mix those up. And don't tell your wife, she might mix them up for you. And then the Captain's Choice Island Time Aftershave. Nice splash, same scent. Pineapple, coconut, grapefruit, tropical, a vacation in a bottle right there. Good stuff. It went on nice and cool and dried up quickly. Nice finish to the shave. And then the Merkur blade, to be honest, I used to not like Merkur blades. I couldn't get a good shave from it. I don't know if they've changed something recently, but I can get a great shave from the Merkur blade. So if that ever happens to you, like you try a blade and you hate it, set it down, come back to it at a later date, and just give it a retry. Give it a retrial, and then see how it works out for you. That's exactly what happened with me with the Merkur blade. I let it go. I was like, whoa, I hate those blades. And then came back to it like a year later, got a fantastic shave from it. And then every Merkur blade I've used since then, excellent shave. And this razor, as I said, fantastic razor. I could see this easily becoming your daily driver, one of your very most favorite razors. Not real aggressive, great for everyday shaving. I think you'll really enjoy it. All right, thank you very much for watching. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, 24C, whatever else you need, it'll pop right up. Thank you very much for watching. Visit Shave Nation. Oh, do me a favor before I head out. Please smash that subscribe button down there and then ring the bell up there so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.